So it's a double-edged sword because launching too many products too quick is not a good idea either. So you want to have a pipeline built where you have your first product coming out, your next one coming right behind it, your next one further behind in development, another one in the planning stage, another one in the conception stage. So you want to have this just like any other company is going to have an R&D pipeline in a sense. They're going to have other things that they're working on alongside their flagship production stuff that's actually bringing in the bulk of the money for the company, but they're still going to be running this R&D. You want to do the same with your cannabis products if you're coming out with a brand, or even if you have a brand out. If you've been just focusing on one product these past years, start thinking about expanding your product line. Start introducing products you may not be known for. One product, such as gummies, for instance. We saw a lot of gummy companies. They just came out doing gummies. But the problem is gummies is a good market, but you have to build an entire brand around it, build the brand awareness, the culture, the identity. That's a lot of work. And when you're only focusing on one product, unless you're really well known for that product, you're really limiting your sales potential.